If you've been injured in Greenville County, South Carolina, on I-85, 385, 185, maybe Highway 29, Highway 25, or on one of the many busy roads around here that people use every day to get to work and back home again, well, you already know how disruptive a serious crash can be. I'm Franklin McGuire, an attorney here at the Goings Law Firm. I grew up in South Carolina and my wife is actually from Greenville. I'm a first-generation attorney and I still serve our state in uniform in the South Carolina Army National Guard. I believe in doing right by people with honesty, hard work, and the willingness to fight when the other side refuses to be fair. Greenville County is a special place. It's one of the engines of South Carolina's growth. More families moving in, more construction, more commuters, more commercial traffic, and a lot of people trying to navigate roads they don't know yet. That's a recipe for wrecks caused by distracted driving, speeding, unsafe lane changes, and trucking companies that put schedules ahead of safety. Insurance companies know the stakes. They may pressure you early, argue about treatment, and minimize what you're going through. There's a reason the insurance industry's playbook gets described in 3 words: deny, delay, and defend. At the Goings Law Firm, we do the opposite. We move fast to protect the evidence. We document the injuries. We identify every source of coverage. And we prepare the case as if we're going to trial. Because the 7th Amendment right to a jury trial is a powerful safeguard for everyday citizens when a corporation would rather spend money fighting you than paying you for legitimate claims. The 7th Amendment is right there in the Bill of Rights. And our founding fathers put it right there, right alongside your First Amendment right to free speech and your Second Amendment right to keep and bear arms. And that's because our forefathers knew that the everyday citizen's 7th Amendment right to a civil trial by jury was a key check and balance on the powerful corporate interests that control so much of our lives today, both seen and unseen. Our firm has been recognized as a winner in the state's best in 2024 and 2025, both as best law firm and as a gold medalist in best accident law and workers' compensation law. But we don't chase medals or prizes, which are just window dressing at the end of the day. The real measure of our success is this: when it's time to stand up and tell your story, we know how to do it clearly and convincingly. Greenville County is built on opportunity and hard work. If someone else's illegal or reckless activity takes that away from you, we will fight to get it back. In Greenville County, if a driver or a corporation chooses profits over safety and hurts you, we will demand accountability, and we'll be ready to prove it. So, if you need a Greenville County personal injury lawyer, contact the Goings Law Firm. When it's time to tell your story, who you have telling it matters. When you're ready, call or text us at 803-350-9230 for a free consultation. You'll speak with me or another attorney on our team about what happened and about what we can do to help.